Now if I put these values, so what will be the answer of the shape of the question? This will come in the proper shape that in the first go, what was the problem? The problem was, it was 1 to what? 3. 1 to 3. Function was 2x plus 1. It was dx. We need to put what? Limit h tending to 0, h times of first of f of a, that was what? 3. Then f of a plus h, meaning by 1 plus h. This was 3 plus 2h. And then we need to put what? F of a plus 2h. That is, in place of x, we need to plus 1 plus 2h. If we put 1 plus 2h, it will be 3 plus 4h. Plus dot 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 plus. And the last is a plus n minus 1 into h. That will be 3 plus, that is 2 times of, in place of x, it was n minus 1 into h. So ultimately what is coming out? That is, we have just put all the values. Now we can write it as limit h tending to 0, h times of. 3 is how many times? Once, twice, thrice, and n times. So we can write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 3n. Plus we can take first value as 2h, then next is 4h, then plus dot 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 plus 2 times of n minus 1 into h. Now after doing it, we can simplify it to limit h tending to 0, h times of 3n plus. If 2 is common, then we left with, also we can take h common. 2h, we will left with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus last term is n minus 1, and it is closed. So this can be written as limit h tending to 0, h times of 3n plus 2h times of. We know that the sum of 1 to n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 upon 2. But here we are observing it is the sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers. So their sum is n into n minus 1 upon 2. Now if we multiply this h inside, then what we will get? We will get a new expression, simplified expression, that will be limit h tending to 0, h times of 3n, that is 3nh, h times of 2h, that is 2h square, upon 2 into n square minus n. Now what more can be written as limit h tending to 0, 3nh, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. This become plus of n square h square. When h square is multiplied to this n square, we will get n square h square, and then what we can see, when h square multiplied with this minus n, it can be written as minus nh into h. But already when I was discussing with you that b minus a upon n is known as what? H. B in the question was 3, a was 1, n was n, and h. So I already told you the answer of nh was what? 2. So in place of nh I need to write what? 2. So if I write nh as 2, The question will be limit h tending to 0, 3 into 2 plus this is n square h square, meaning by nh whole square, and nh is 2, so I can say it is what? 2 whole square, minus nh is what? 2 into what? H. So ultimately we are coming to say the limit h tending to 0, it is 6 plus 4 minus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0, 6 plus 4 is what? 10. So using the concept of limit as sum, what we are concluding, we are saying the answer of the problem is coming out to be 10. But same can be verified without using the limit as sum. We will apply this rule only if the problem or instructions are given to use limit as sum. Same question, very simple. It was 2x plus 1 from 1 to 3 dx, derivative of this is x square, derivative of 1 is x, and limits are from 1 to 3. So first we need to write 3, that is 9 plus 3 minus, then we need to write 1 minus 1. So 12 minus 2, answer is coming 10. It's hardly a question of 20 seconds, but if you are bound to solve using the limit of sum, then accordingly you have to notice this formula, apply some other results as I discussed with you in this special problem.